Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The last session saw the dollar gain 0.4% against the yen. According to the Williams Indicator, we are in an overbought market. The Bitcoin-dollar pair plummeted 5.4% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The last session saw the gold rise 0.3% against the dollar. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The oil-dollar pair exploded 1.7% in the last session. The RSI indicates an overbought market.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Global stock markets rose on strong European and U.S. shares, with stocks brushing off a rapid re-acceleration in coronavirus cases and oil and the dollar extending their rallies. Britain's financial watchdog has barred major cryptocurrency exchange Binance from carrying out regulated activities, the latest in a string of moves against the platform by authorities across the world. The dollar index hit 3-month highs ahead of a U.S. jobs report that could offer clues on when the Federal Reserve will start to pare back stimulus.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The U.S. non-farm payrolls will be released at 12:30 GMT. The U.S. average hourly earnings at 12:30 GMT. Spain's unemployment change at 700 GMT. The Eurozone's producer price index will be released at 900 GMT. Japan's CFTC JPY-NC net positions at 1930 GMT. The UK's CFTC GBP-NC net positions at 1930 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.